Hi, my friend. Welcome. Glad you can come here today. Today I'm showing you my new equipment. I bought a micro welder, a Zap by Sunstone. Here I'm showing you the stylist, and it has a sharp little needle on it. This little welder is ran on argon gas. There's the welder itself. It goes from 5 diamonds, I believe, to 10 diamonds. So I'm picking out a jump ring. I'm sorry I have to do a voiceover. There's some chaos that happened here while I was filming, and so I had to take the sound out. I put the video at the end of the chaos. Here's a little jump ring that I'm going to attach to the bracelet. This is called permanent jewelry. It just means that you don't have to take the clasp off or take it off and on. It's on until you decide to take it off, either for medical reasons. You can just take a little needle clipper and clip the jump ring. It's also a good breaking point if your bracelet gets caught on something. You don't want to cut your wrist. I do bracelets and anklets. Here I'm just measuring and connecting the jump ring. I'm so surprised it went in one go. When you're doing it on yourself, it's really difficult. So I'm just managing to get it closed, because it has to be completely closed before you can weld, or else it just won't weld. I've got a leather leaf here, and I'm putting it under the bracelet to protect my skin while I'm welding. So I'm just attaching it underneath there. I purchased my welder from Stones and Findings. I'll put the link in the description box. It came in, I purchased a kit, so it came with chains and the stylist. Now I'm putting on a pair of safety glasses. So they're also bifocal, so I can see what I'm doing, because I have to find the split in the jump ring, make sure it's closed. And now it's going to spark. I'm going to jump because that's what I always do. So that, just going to give it a couple more little zaps there. You can see a little bit of the sparking. And the pliers that is in my hand is a grounding plier. It's connected to my welder you see in the picture there. Oh, you saw this little spark. I'm going to do one more for good measure, just to make sure. There. What I have in my hand is a fiberglass pencil or pen, whatever you want to call it. I'm taking off any fire scale, make it shiny again. So there it is, it's on. This is the chaos. They're thundering up and down, squealing at each other, these two squirrels. There's a few peanuts on the deck, and there's my dog making all kinds of noise, but I took the sound out. And then up above over here is a blue jay coming to mooch any peanuts. There's the blue jay. And the squirrels are going to come back, and they're going to be barking at the blue jay, and my dog's going to be whining. And then, of course, for no reason, my printer started printing something that I had a jam earlier today, and I forgot to fix it. So it was lots of fun today while filming. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. it helps me on the algorithm, and as a new YouTuber, I need that people to join so that I can get myself out there, and it also helps my business. Thank you ahead of time for liking and subscribing. Take care. Bye bye.